Hi everyone, my name is Harsha. Welcome to my Maeve review. So this is going to be launched on 27th July 9 a.m. Easter Sunday time, and this has been created by Mr. Jono and the team. And this is the kind of a asset that consists with YouTube, Gmail, and Google. So in these days, there's a rivalry war between Facebook, Amazon, and Google in the market domination. So for that, this Google has decided to fight back against this Facebook and against the Amazon. So therefore, they have created this the biggest access to to get traffic by using this YouTube, Gmail, and this Google Discover. So with that, with that. Nutshell that that's something that interesting, so be with me. So I will give you the demo in the members area, and also I will give you the main features of this Maeve uh, assets of this consisting of the YouTube, Facebook, and Amazon. So for that, I have created a bonus for you all to integrate with this Maeve. So this bonus is specially made to get traffic to your mail and also for your other applications. So this is the bonus page that I have been made for you to uh, use with this mail. So it is look like this, and I will give you uh, dis- uh, the description of this bonus. So my bonus number one is access the clickbank and mastery course. So that till in the this bonus number one, you will able to get the all the details about how to use this clickbank and how will you will gain money or the online profit or the online traffic for your application by using this clickbank. This kind of a money making platform that you can use with this mail. So my bonus number two is the two HQ traffic sources to use. So in this, you will able to realize how to make your traffic or how to unleash your traffic generation to your application by using these two sources, these traffic sources to use in this bonus number two. So in the bonus number three, that is the accelerate to Instagram traffic. So by using this method, you will able to uh, get this your traffic uh, to your Instagram application in a very effective manner by using this bonus number three. And the my bonus number three is access Jonos YouTube ads. You know, the Jono is a master blast of this affiliate marketing, and he will teach you how to access your YouTube ads course in this course by getting this the the exclusive YouTube ad course for your mail with this mail. So my bonus number five is the all the vendor bonuses that will you get with this mail in the members area of this mail. So with that, I will just move on to this sales page of this mail. So this is the sales page of the mail. It is look like this, and it says that in bracket case study, Google's secret weapon in its war with Facebook and Amazon generate us $1,435 in daily affiliate commissions. So that's how it's look like, and it will give you the videos and the all the main features that will uh, embedded in this mail. So you can go with your own time in this sales page. That's just you have to click the link down below of this video, and you will get this my bonus page. And this will bonus will expire on 30th July, Friday, 11 p.m. Eastern Sunday time. So before that, you have to get this bonus. So once you have access the bonus page, you can just click the this red part of this bonus page, or you can access any kind of this green button in this yellow page to grab this Maeve. So once you have clicked this green button, any of the green button, you will just access. You will able to get access to sales page. Once you just access the sales page, then you have to just click this red button, and then you will able to get this kind of a warrior plus web portal like this. So that uh, after you just go to this web portal, you can just access the your purchase from this green button to your mail. So just under this green blue button, you will able to access your bonus that I have mentioned earlier. So once you just click this blue button, you will able to get my thank you page. Once you access the thank you page, then you can able to access the all the bonuses that you have been embedded and I'm giving you. So with that, I will just move to this members area of this Maeve. So the members area is look like this. It is consisting with left align uh, blue button serials and also the upper part, that is the two other supportive methods, and this is the video, the telecasting area, and under that you will have this terms of service and logout. So I will give you the just brief introduction of this each and every module. So this is the welcome to Maeve. That is the welcome by Jono and the team to the digital dams. So that is uh, the first module of this Maeve. So the second module of this is the power of Google discovery ads. So in this module you will able to realize the power of this Google ads, that is the going against this Facebook and Amazon to fight back. To you will able to really discover the power of Google ads in this module. And this then the other the the third module is how to create your Google ads account. Then in that you will be taught to create your Google ads account inside the Google this algorithm. And the second one is get set up with your first campaign. You will be taught how to do it, this Google Ads campaign. And the third one is create your conversion pixel. So another module that you will integrate it with this Google Ads to your promote your campaign. So the fourth one is marketplace optimized profile setup. That is the all resources that you will get in this Maeve application. So that are the resources part of this Maeve. So then uh, the next module is the express bonus page generator. So in that module you will be able to get the opportunity to this bullet express bonus page generator. That is a marvelous thing in this Maeve. And to how to express deliver your bonuses. So that will be the two parts have been integrated to this Maeve. So that is a huge thing in that Maeve that I have been recognized. So the that is the main thing that I have been seeing in this Maeve. So this is then the express campaign setup. So in that module you will be able to create to a conversion pixel and the discovery ads campaign setup. That is the two other things that will be taught inside this Maeve once you have grabbed this Maeve application in near future. So that is the express campaign setup. That is the two other things. So the thing is boost your conversion rate. So that is the other module that will be taught after that. That is the basic consistent tricks of the trade, and bonuses turn the heat up on your campaign. So that is the other the module that will be taught inside the members area of the Maeve. So the next one case study also included to realize that how to generate this online money with this Maeve. So on the debrief, that is the recap of this Maeve, and you'll be able to access this all the vendor bonuses in here in this module, that is access your bonuses. So how to earn additional 10,000 daily posting, unlimited free ads. So another bonuses that will give you inside the members area other than this Maeve. So next bonus is how to get a free $100 to spend on your campaign. So inside you will be taught how to generate 100 money to invest again this Maeve. So next one is how to get multiple passive income in stream fast, and the other bonus is how to make money rain according to 3 people who do. So that are the bonuses that are embedded in this Maeve application. So once you have grabbed this, you will be able to get all these bonuses under the Maeve. So the last module is that is the access to scale your income. So write the bullet train to charging station and the outsourcing suit your hand-free solution. So that are all the others, the scale your income that has been uh, integrated this Maeve to that to grab your may make your traffic and grab your traffic, the income, all the things inside this Maeve to generate your campaign very easily and effectively. So that is the all the things about this members area. And here it is, you can see that the upper part, they let us do it all for you, that is done for you part in this mail. So once you click this, you will able to get this around done for you campaign, 25 campaigns, and the digital DM support. You will able to get the support of this any support of this mail application in this members area. So I will go again these bonuses very quickly. So my bonus number one is the access the ClickBank mastery course, and the bonus number two is HQ traffic sources to use, and the bonus number three is accelerate your Instagram traffic, and bonus number four is access Jonas YouTube ad course, and the bonus number five is all the vendors bonuses. So there are bonuses I am giving you with this mail. So we will see about the prices of this mail and the upsells of the product. So front end basically cost around 12.97, and plus order bump is that is for $7.47. So that are the basic prices of this mail. The upsell number one is so this product bump is normally cost around 16.97, and the plus the order bump is the 7.97, and this upsell number one is the ride the bullet train to charging station, that is the $47, and downsell cost around $47. So that are the upsell number one of this mail. So upsell number two is outsourcing suit, that is a 100% hand-free solution, that is cost around $397, and the downsell cost around $297. So in this module, in this upgrade, you will able to learn how to feed up while serving and sweat for you, and you will able to enjoy luxury experience, then break in passive profit, then let us fine tune and optimize your campaign for maximum result, and the beautifully designed and magnetizing creative and pages all done for you. There's no technical skills or experience needs in this upsell number two, and the best option for anyone who are too busy. That is the upsell number two of this mail. So upsell number three is cost around $97, and downsell cost around $67. In this upsell number three, you will able to get the traffic for one entire year, and you will able to tap into this buyer traffic pool, and the all the other profits that you will be able to get this through the upsell number three, and the bigger traffic, then quick and easy pretty formula, virtually no extra effort, and that's kind of a features available in this upsell number three. So that's cost around 97, and the downsell cost around 67. So the upsell number four is cost around $47, and downsell cost around $37. And in this upsell number four, you will able to realize the unlimited secret hack to beef up your campaign with no additional fee, and the power you will able to access the powerful intelligent tool to exploit new and fertile spaces, then you will to able to light up your campaign performance, and you will able to reveal a speakeasy strategy that other marketers either don't know, right? That is the main features of the upsell number 4. And the upsell number 5 is cost around $29 and downsell cost $19. So let's see what are the features available. So upsell number 5 is never done before mega sale for Maeve reseller license. That's down upsell cost around 27 and downsell cost around 17. So that are the about upsell number 5, and it is main features are included that you will able to get paid up to $711 per sale, zero extra work, and save, we can save 100 hours and save $100 on marketing, and uh, the professional team of this Maeve handle all post sale support, nothing for your upload or host, and uh, then you can use the Maeve proven to convert professional design sales videos that in the Maeve application. So upsell number 6 is never done before mega value bundle reseller license. That is cost $87 and downsell cost $67. In this reseller license, you will able to get 100% commission throughout entire funnel of this upsell number 6. So there are the upsell and downsell of this Maeve application and the funnel that have been created with this Maeve. So I will give again the main benefits of this sale. Sorry, this product Maeve sale. So that is the Google's weapon in its fight back with Facebook and Amazon. Then the generate massive traffic to any offer in any niche, and this is a new artificial intelligence system. Then the secret hack that combines the power of Gmail, YouTube, and Google. And this you can usually without using email list or making videos or any writing contents. And it is 100% newbie friendly and 10 to 30 minutes setup. Then it is main features. It is written as scalable to the moon, and the work for online and offline business, and you will able to get the 30-day money back guarantee too in this Maeve application. That is the all the benefit part of this Maeve. So once you have access this my uh, bonus page, you will able to watch this demo video of the Maeve inside my bonus page. So you have to just click the link down below of this video, and you will able to get this my bonus page, and you can watch this demo video too. So that's all about this Maeve. So before the bonuses are going to expire, you have to grab this Maeve to generate a massive campaign against this Facebook and Amazon. So the Maeve, it is integrated with YouTube, Gmail, and Google. So in the Maeve application, you will able to realize how that it is powerful to beat this Facebook and Amazon. So I have come to the end of my review of the Maeve application. So thank you very much to being with me up to now for this Maeve review. So if just like the hit the like button and just subscribe for my channel for future updates. Thank you very much.